Hi everyone, hope all of you have watched my previous video about expectations. I promised in that video that I will come up with another video on expectations. Look, the situation right now, and I'm just trying to connect this topic to the current situation. Everybody had some expectations in terms of your future planning, your salary, your business growth, and so many other things. But suddenly, a situation crops up which is unforeseen, which is rarest of the rare, and really unexpected. Now, how do you manage your expectations? So ultimately, like I said in the previous video, if your expectation is this much and you get this much, you are disappointed, to say the least. In fact, it's like a moment of misery for you. And when your expectation is this much and you get exactly this much or somewhat nearby, that is when you're satisfied and you're happy. But when your expectation is less this much and you get a lot more, that is out of the mind. That's something you didn't expect and you got, and you're thrilled, you're very, very happy, joyous, what should I say. Current situation, it looks like you had either this expectation or a lot. Why not? What's happening is probably you're looking at something that you're getting which is very less, and that could be a matter of disappointment and depression, and I can totally understand. And that is why I said that expectations are the mother of all the problems and emotional and mental issues and turbulences. And it's so true right now for most of the people. Again, some people must have surprised themselves in terms of their expectation and got a lot more in this crisis. But I'm talking about general people that I know of, and I hear every day such news that I must admit that I was very pushed into making this video from inside. So I want to make you all understand that this is just a matter of expectations, and you cannot balance this expectation in a situation like this, because it doesn't add up to 2 plus 2 equal to 4 here, because you didn't expect the situation. Now in an unexpected situation, I don't think this theory fits in really. So at the current situation, you have to be very careful and rethink your expectations, manage your expectations, and try to tell yourself that in these circumstances, what should be ideally your expectations, and then you should look at it from a different angle, because you don't want to get disappointed and think that you've got less. It's not so. It's just an unexpected times and situations, and all theories put aside will not work in this situation. I hope I have thrown some light on this topic. I'm still waiting for you all to discuss with me and comment and share your views on this. Once again, thank you so much for watching another episode of Pep Talk with your trainer, mentor, guide, and dear friend. Don't forget, Sudeep Nag, Mr. Nag, Brother Nag, Captain Nag. Whatever you call me, I am alright with that. I'm happy with that. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Be safe. But always try to be happy, and most importantly, as I always say, don't forget, never forget to carry that beautiful smile.